Hello, Scott Melgren here at SkipperBud's in Oshkosh with our newest listing. It's a 2017 Sylvan 8524 DLZ. It's black with a champagne accent. You can see back here it does have the extended rear deck, which is very nice. Gives you a little bit of room on the back here. It has a ski tow bar. And it's got a Mercury 150 on it. So enough power to do some skiing, some tubing, all the fun you want to have out of the water. It does come with a bimini. It does have a cover as well. It's a very, very nice boat. Great layout. This is a DLZ. You'll see as I get up in the boat what the layout looks like. It's got the nice bench seat here that flips into like a bed, and then you can flip this up. You got some nice seating here. There's also a table that would go in the middle there. Two captain's chairs, a very nice helm. It does have a depth finder on it. An infinity Bluetooth stereo. There's a pop-up changing room. Some nice seating up front. There's cup holders throughout. Another table that would go up front here. There you can see very, very nice layout. It does come with a bimini top, does come with a full cover. It's got under seat lighting as well. Nice storage underneath the driver's helm. Some storage over on the sides here, a little net storage. Big storage box here as well. Keep all your goodies. There you have it. If you'd like some more information, please give us a call. We'd be happy to help. This boat just came in and it is ready for a new owner. Thanks for watching.